So this video will explain what is DHCP and why is it so important for the world of IT and cybersecurity. DHCP, or also known as Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, is a service that you use every day without knowing. When you connect your device to your home network, you automatically get an IP address. Or when you connect your PC to your network, you also get an IP address along with other information like DNS servers. This is all done by DHCP that is configured and administered by your router in case of your home network. In a corporate or a work environment, this is all done by a domain controller server. Without DHCP automatic IP distribution, you would have to assign all IP addresses manually. Of course, this sounds like an okayish task for a home network where you might have a couple devices. However, not so much for a corporate environment where you might have thousands and thousands of PCs connected. Additionally, any changes to desired IP range, this would mean that you manually have to change everything in that specific device, whereas DHCP does everything for you. Even if you reconnect device, it will just get the new information from the domain controller or the DHCP server. So let me actually demonstrate to you how DHCP works and why it is so important in today's world. Let's imagine you want to connect your family computer to your Wi-Fi, right? So let's just say you would put your credentials in, you log in, and boom, you want to access the internet. However, if you don't have DHCP configured, you will not be able to access the internet first, because what you need to do is you need to configure the IP address and all the information by yourself, right? So you have to know, first of all, you need to know the IP address, you need to know networking a little bit, at least understand how it works. And there's a chance you could make a mistake, because if you assign two devices the same IP address, it will not work. And then you obviously have to find out which device has the same IP address, right? So it causes problems. However, let's imagine you have DHCP configured and you just connect your device to your network. So let's just actually go to the IP configuration and let's press DHCP. And as you can see, it says requesting and it says DHCP request successful. So let's actually check if DHCP works with a simple command. If you just come to CMD or command prompt and you type in ping 192.168.50.255, obviously this will change and will be different from your IP range. So in this case, for me, it's 255. And as you can see, we're going to reply from 678, and we only have 3 PCs in the network, which means we have successfully connected every single device and we have successfully basically implemented DHCP. Now, if you would like to check your IP settings for whatever reason, all you need to do is come to your device, come to command prompt, type ipconfig/all, and as you can see, you should get all your information. So as you can see, this is your IPv4 address. So this is your current device IP address, your subnet mask, default gateway, and any DNS servers. As you can see, there's 88888. Alright, so that'll be it for this video. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, comment, and please don't forget to also check my other videos, which should be somewhere on the screen. If not, then go to my playlists.